So good morning, everyone. We have an amazing class today. It's chapter 2, Milady, your anatomy and physiology. So big chapter. You're going to have to learn this one really well. Okay, take 2. Hey everyone, welcome to class this morning. We got a big meaty chapter. It's chapter 2. It's Milady, anatomy and physiology. So all the stuff that does our body good. Let's review from yesterday, right? So part 2 was today, part 1 was yesterday. So let me bring you up to speed. I think of food. Anytime I do a class, I can think of food, right? So I think of making a really amazing, like a pasta sauce with a meatball, right? Good stuff, right? So this is my bowl, right? There's my bowl. This is my sauce, my marinara. This is the meatball, and these are the spices, those secret spices that I know inside the meatball. Here's the good part. Those secret spices, that's like your DNA, your deoxyribonucleic acid. It's just a really big word, so I don't like to say it out because it takes too long to say. So it's DNA. Those are those special spices that make me, me. It's just for me. They're inside the nucleus, right? Nucleus is like a meatball. It's right in the middle of the pasta sauce. So it's like the nucleus. Inside the nucleus is the DNA. Makes me special. The marinara sauce, right? That kind of nice juicy stuff that makes the meatball even better. Kind of gives it some extra juice, some nutrients, makes it taste good. Well, that pasta sauce is actually your protoplasm. So protoplasm surrounds the nucleus, it supports it, it feeds it, it nourishes it. Your cell membrane is like the bowl that you cook it in, right? So cell membrane is like that bowl. It protects and holds everything together. So cell membrane is your bowl. Now here's a really cool part about that cell membrane. It's a lot smarter than just a bowl. What it does is it has selective permeability. Another big phrase, it just means basically, I like you, you can come in. Hey you got to get out of here. Or, okay, yeah, you can visit for a little bit, but then you got to move on. Or, no, you are not getting in here. Basically, it has different shapes or little gates along the cell membrane that only things of certain shapes can get in. And if they're supposed to stay in, they can't get out. They don't fit back out. So think about it a little bit like the space station, right? It has a docking port, and that has to fit exactly, and then it becomes one with. So different shapes, like bacteria. We're all familiar with the COVID bacteria. It keeps it out. Different things like food. It says, oh yeah, that's great. You go ahead, turn yourself the right direction, come on in. And then if it's something that it needs to keep in there, this guy right here, if he tries to turn himself around and get out, he's going to have to be a little bit more clever. So he's going to be backwards. He can't get out. We want to keep that guy in. So there you have it. There is the basic cell structure. Easy, right? All right, guys. I hope that worked out for you. Check out the rest of the videos. They're not nearly as good as this one because they don't usually involve food. This is my favorite one with the pasta sauce. But I do have a really good one that involves a drawing of a cul-de-sac. Yeah. We'll do that next. All right, guys. Kimber, Graybox Skincare. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Take good care of yourself. Be safe, okay? Bye now.